Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Masimpur ALM High School, Ramlokipur, I think that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. For the cause of epidemic forum COVID virus 19, we are unable to take regular classes in our institution. For this reason, we have a long distance between you and all the teachers of our institution. However, the Ministry of Education and our higher authority of Upazila Education Officer has advised us to take online classes for the betterment of your education. By following their advice, we are going to take online classes. We have started our online classes in an institution from this month. I am Abdul Awal, assistant master and acting headmaster of Masimpur ALM High School, Ramlokipur. Now I am going to take an English class of English second paper. The lesson of my today's class is transformation, and it is necessary for 3 classes, class 8, 9 and 10. Now I am going to discuss about affirmative to negative. It is all well known to us that there are 2 kinds of transformation. One is transformation and other is conversion. Transformation means the structure of the sentence will be changed and the meaning of the sentence will not change. Or conversion means the structure and the meaning both will change when I shall transfer any sentence. Actually, in our examination question paper, we find transformation. So, for the betterment of your education, for the betterment of yourself, I am going to take online class on affirmative to negative. And number 1, at first, if you get only by alone in the sentence in the question paper, then you have to first find out the meaning of this sentence. Here the sentence only Allah can help us. As Allah is our creator, so here we have to use in absence of only, none but Allah can help us. Secondly, if we get only in our sentence, in this sentence you can see that he has only a few toys. It is not related with the subject he. It is related only is used for toys. So here I have to use in absence of only. By instead of only, I have to use nothing but. So I have used nothing but in this sentence. You can see clearly he has nothing but a few toys. Number 3, I have written this sentence, Jim was only 22. In this sentence, you can see that only is used before 22. So it is number. If we get number in our exam script for writing answer before, if they use only and they use after only any kind of number, we can use more than or not less than, not more than or not less than. We would be able to use not more than or not less than. So I have written 2 types. You can use not more than or you can use not less than. Now I am going to write second rules of transformation. in our transformation sentences. Secondly, there are a lot of rules. I am writing second rules. If we find must or have to or has to or had to, we have to use cannot, but, or cannot help. If I use cannot but, I have no needed to use another thing. I must go there. In this sentence I can see that here I find must. So if I want to change it negative, I have to write I can not but go there. If I write another subject, I have to do the work. This sentence will be changed in the same way, and I can use cannot help. If I use cannot help in absence, instead of have to, cannot help, I have to add ing with the verb. Here the verb is do, so do is going to change as doing. I cannot help doing the work. Rule 3, if you find they are in the affirmative sentence, if you find everybody or everyone, then you have to use there is no at first in the negative sentence. Now I am going to write an example on behalf of these rules. Every mother loves her child. If I want to change it, at first I find there every is the first, so I have to use there is no plus the next word of every. The next word of every is mother. There is no mother. According to rules, next I have to use but, then I have to use from verb to the last part of the sentence. I give another example. Everybody hates a liar. In the same way, I have to change there is nobody, then but, then the second word, then verb to last part of the sentence. I am going to write the number 4 rules of affirmative to negative sentence. Sometimes if you find 2.2 in the affirmative sentence, you have to use so that to change it into negative. Now I am going to write an example on behalf of these rules. Of this rule, he is too weak to walk. In this sentence, you can see that, dear students, you can see that here 2 and 2. So I am going to change it. At first I write subject of the sentence is he, then verb is, then I shall use so, then adjective weak, then I shall use that. I have to use subject again, then I have to use cannot or could not, as the sentence is present indefinite tense, so I have to use cannot. Then verb walk. I can also change it as a complex compound way, so it is not needed to write down now. Next, dear students, I am going to write rules number 5. Sometimes we have to use negative word of the affirmative sentence to change from affirmative to negative. Example, sometimes we use negative word of the affirmative word to change a sentence from affirmative to negative and we have to use not before it. Now I am writing example on behalf of this rule, such as example, he is a good boy. Here the positive word is good. So I can write he is subject is verb, not a. The negative word of good is bad. He is not a bad boy. He is an intelligent student. He is an unhappy man. He is not a happy man. Now, I have written in today's online class 5 rules of affirmative to negative sentence. Dear students, I think that you are all able to understand what I have told and what I have written. I hope that you will practice it more and more and you will try your level best to understand it and you will not waste your valuable time. I hope you will keep your health oil. No more today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.